Karma Guy here. Check out this extremely rare 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300E with only 126K miles. Recently serviced with over $2,177 in upgrades, including new spark plugs, a rebuilt fuel system, fresh oil/filter change, and new shocks. It's ready to hit the road. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade when you buy. Timeless Benz, modern reliability. Don't miss it.